Hello everyone, welcome you all in our YouTube channel Learning Radiology. Then start our today's topic. Today's topic is how to calculate SAR value in MRI console. So, so in this topic we see how to calculate how to calculate SAR value and how to measure SAR value in any regions of scan regions like brain, spine, knee. Every region have different SAR value. SAR stand for specific absorption rate. So before starting to measure SAR value, then firstly we see on radio frequency field. So exposure to radio frequency occurs during the MR examination. Hydrogen nuclei are subjected to an oscillating magnetic field. The source of this EMR is the radio frequency coil that surrounds the patient inside the magnet pore. As the RF pulse is doubled, that 4 times the power is used. SAR means specific absorption rate. So SAR is the measurement of RF absorption by the body. RF absorption is manifested as tissue heating and ability of patient to dissipate excess heat. SAR value is measured in watt per kg. Since SAR is calculated as the energy deposition per kg, to correctly weight the effects of SAR. No serious adverse effect when patient exposed up to 10 into recommended level. Another one, increase the skin and body temperature. FDA has set some limit to increase SAR in body temperature, like increase of 18 degrees Celsius in body core, increase of 38 degrees Celsius in head, increase of 39 degrees Celsius in trunk, increase of 40 degrees Celsius in extremity. SAR watt per kg. For whole abdomen 15 minutes 4 watt per kg. For head 10 minutes 3 watt per kg. Then RF antenna. To cause significant burn hazard due to electric current, insulated cables should be used. Surface coil should be well placed to avoid a conductive loop formed by its turntable. RF irradiation. Heating due to absorbed energy increase, which increases with frequency. So here is the image of MRI console. We put this image on screen. So this is an examination of a spine. In case, so this is a console screen of Siemens 1.5 Tesla. So firstly, when scan are going on, then here is a point and here is a, at this position in screen or called as a MRI console. So we click, then SAR information is opened. In prediction option, we see the whole body SAR value of this patient or this examination or this part. So another one we see on another image, like this is the option in MRI console to click to open this SAR information of any examination. So firstly we click on this option of SAR value, SAR information, then open this type of information about examination, and we see about firstly one prediction. In prediction we see the whole body SAR value. Here whole body is SAR value, exposed value. Another option, it is a spine. In prediction value, whole body SAR value is 1.1. Its ranges from 0.0 to 2.0 watt per kg, and its range and its absolute value is 1.1. We choose from this option. Here is the 54% SAR information we show. From here you can use this. Every slices and every sequences have different SAR value. Every different sequences have different SAR values. So we see, like in case of the brain, EPI diffusion sequences, like we see have a protocol with this, show the protocol, and another one, when we click on this on a protocol or a current option, this will see the current SAR value of the examination or sequences. Firstly we click on SAR information option, then open this type of information option. Here a prediction option where we see whole body SAR value, and in status option we show the status of the examination, current examination is going on. Here is a patient option, we show the patient information, and a protocol option. In protocol option we see the sequences, and in current option we show the SAR value of the current examination or SAR value of the current sequences, because we use different sequences for examination. So in case we do a brain, then we use T1, T2 diffusion, flare. So T1 have different, T2 have different, flare have different, and diffusion have different sequences have a different SAR value. Okay, comment on this video, like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay.